So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to like a post on LinkedIn. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the LinkedIn app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it, and this is the home page of your LinkedIn account. Now, to like a post, you should have to tap on like icon, which is available on the bottom corner of your left side. So tap on it. Then here you will see all your reactions. So I'm tapping on the fourth reaction like this. Now see, I have reacted or liked successfully in this post, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.